What's an open PBL workshop look like with Magnify Learning? Hi, my name is Ryan Stoyer. I'm the Executive Director of Magnify Learning. We're a nonprofit organization spreading project-based learning around the world. And an open workshop with us is our wording to say, it's come one, come all. So teachers come from all over the country, all over the world, to get together to push the envelope in education. We get the innovators. We get the lone wolves, we get those folks on the front end of the innovation curve, and then from there, a lot of people will say that's just kind of how they dip the toe in the water with us as far as partnership, and then we can go specifically to your school and do what we call an on-site, and we customize that training around the great things that you're already doing. We try to magnify your learning. But in an open workshop that's going to be in a virtual setting, you can come from all over. So I'm going to tell you about the outcomes that you can have, but let me start with one that you don't get. You don't get all the travel expenses. You don't have to have a plane ticket. You don't have to have a hotel room. You don't have to have all those meals. We're going to hold the training at your house. You don't even have to clean up, really. Like, you might have to clean up this background a little bit, but other than that, wherever your computer's at, that's where we're going to be. Now, you might say, like, am I missing out on some outcomes? And we don't think so. Like, we've created a training. It's going to be 3 days, online, super collaborative, and we're going to use all tools that you can use in your classroom for free. Isn't that awesome? The outcomes that you'll get is you'll create a PBL unit that's in your content area and your grade level. You will get to interact with your colleagues, so those innovative educators that are meeting from around the country, around the world. And then you get to interact with our PBL Certified Facilitators, who are teachers in the classroom doing this work. And you also get to learn some protocols that will work for adult learning and your students. Now, if you're an elementary school teacher, we're going to have an elementary school facilitator there, so you guys can speak the same language. If you're a secondary facilitator, we're going to have a secondary facilitator there too, so you guys can speak the same language. We want to see what project-based learning looks like in the real world. We want to make sure that it works in your classroom and your local context. So that's where your PBL unit will be created in that same environment. Now, if you're a newbie, we have a PBL Jumpstart for you, right? So if you're a newcomer, we've got a spot for you. If you're a PBL veteran, we have a PBL Advanced for you. We've got that track. If you are an administrator, we actually have a track for you. So teachers or principals, we've got a spot for you because we want to customize learning for exactly what you need to service your learners, because every kid deserves to be a part of an inspiring story. So it's going to be virtual. We're going to come from all over. It's going to be great. When we all get together, we're going to engage learners, tackle boredom, and transform classrooms.